evening, everybody. It's a nice quiet night, and I wanted to show you. We did it. My husband's amazing. So he dug all of this up with a pickaxe, saved all of our succulents, and we have carpet time. So I'm so happy he saved that because it smells amazing. It attracts so many pollinators. And then he also saved, this is more thyme over here, but it's citrus thyme, and it smells so good. You hear me talk about that a lot. I have a thing for smelling stuff. So more Sweet Williams, too, have come up. Look how pretty they are. They're so rich in color. I can't remember what this is called. It's not a black-eyed Susan, but it kind of looks like them. And I'm going to get a ton of them, and excuse me, they're just lovely too. There's going to be tons of color in here. I planted pumpkins and sunflowers, of course, all in the blank spaces here. My husband said, you just can't leave anything alone, can you? And he is absolutely right. The sage is blooming. It's so pretty, and it's such a peaceful night. And I'm also really excited because the rhodo started blooming. I told you it was pretty. Look at that. It looks like it's tie-dyed. I love it. And even the iris is looking really, really beautiful. All right, I just wanted to share those really pretty things. Have a good night, everybody.